for breakfast, Sammy?
Muffins!
That's right! At Manderfeld Muffins, we serve the best breakfast. So try all of our exciting new flavors.
Lemon poppy seeds.
Raspberry. Choco chip.
Marker.
Hot sauce muffin. Coffee filter muffin.
Snow muffin.
Track and field muffin. Jingle bell muffin.
Bullfrog muffin.
Packers versus Giants muffin. Tampon muffin.
Money muffin.
Pink Play-Doh muffin. Remote control muffin. Protein muffin. South Beach diet muffin. So try all of our exciting new flavors at Manderfeld Muffins. What muffin would you like, Sammy?
I think I lost my appetite.
Oh, you'll eat a muffin. You'll eat it and like it.